Welcome back to Chess for Stress. Today's daily puzzle is called International Games Week, November 7th, 2021. So we're backtracking a little bit. Today is November 8th actually, but we're going to go ahead and play this puzzle. A lot going on here. What is the move? I'm not even going to take a hint on this one. I'm trying to learn how to think about this. What would you do in this situation? So many options. I have to try to avoid checkmate by white's queen at the same time. So it's going to be pretty tricky. Okay, so that stops the checkmate. was difficult. Check back each day for a new puzzle. Puzzles get harder throughout the week. Hope you enjoyed that puzzle. And if you enjoy this channel or just hanging out at this channel, we appreciate you hitting the like button, commenting, sharing. And some of you from different countries are using a different alphabet. So basically, a lot of your comments are showing up as numbers, or showing up something that like indistinguishable, so or is not being translated into English. So if you have an English translator and you are from another country and this site is being translated into a different language, please definitely try to translate into English if possible, or I appreciate all languages and cultures, so if you provide your language that's not scrambled, like I've been seeing a lot of languages being scrambled into something totally different. If you can use your keyboard syllabic and then also provide the English translation, I will appreciate that so much. That way all the viewers to this channel reading comments, or who likes to read comments and form some type of community in that way, they can all communicate with each other or talk to each other or share with each other. So anyway, again, appreciate your likes, I appreciate your viewing and watching, and I appreciate you sharing and commenting. And this was International Games Week, November 7th, chess.com, Daily Puzzle.